Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to unlock the power of live text in seconds. To use live text on iPhone, we need to understand its meaning, which involves recognizing and interacting with text within images, a powerful feature that simplifies tasks. When you take a screenshot or capture a photo, notice this icon appearing on the side, indicating that live text is available, allowing you to extract and interact with the text within the image, which is really handy for copying or sharing information. This icon features a scan button, which we'll click to activate live text, unlock its powerful features, and start interacting with the captured text immediately. To select text, we'll navigate to the desired area, making it easy to choose what we need. With the text selected, we can copy, search, or translate it, and even choose the language for translation, giving us more options and flexibility to work with the text in various languages, which is really convenient for communication and research purposes. Translating text into a language like French not only provides the translation, but also offers pronunciation, which is really helpful for language learning or communication, allowing you to understand and speak more effectively, making it a useful feature for both personal and professional use. Similarly, searching selected text provides detailed information, making it a powerful tool for research or learning more about a topic, allowing you to quickly access relevant data and explore related concepts with ease, which can be really helpful in many situations. In this way, live text can be used for documents, photos, or screenshots, making it a versatile feature for various tasks and needs, allowing you to extract and interact with text in many different types of files and images, which is really convenient and time-saving in many situations. Now you can use live text like a pro! Check the description for a special iOS course deal, and don't forget to like and subscribe!